Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. Begin by opening the search box and type Services. Click on Services from the search result and run it as an administrator. Once in the Services, find Windows Biometric Service, double-click on it to open it. Ensure that the service status is running. If not, click on Start, then set the startup type to Automatic and click Apply followed by OK. Open the Run dialog box again and type gpedit.msc to launch the Group Policy Editor. In the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Biometrics. Double-click on each of the following settings. Allow the use of biometrics, allow users full log on using biometrics, and allow domain users to log on using biometrics. Enable them and click Apply, then OK. After making these changes, restart your computer to apply the settings. If the issue persists, go to Settings, Update and Security, check for updates, and install any pending updates. If the problem still persists, go to Control Panel, Programs, View Installed Updates. You'll install the latest Windows updates and check if the issue is resolved. Finally, ensure the Windows computer is up to date by going to Settings, Update and Security, and check for updates again. And this should fix your problem. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello everyone.